As you're born, you will be immediately wrapped in a hospital at the midwives, in a towel, in a sheet, in a blanket. So before you even know that you're here, you're already in some textile. So it becomes commonplace. A textile, a garment, fabric on a couch is something that you don't think twice about, that somebody actually has to make this. Well, I originate from Austria. I did a hitchhiking trip and I decided on Africa because when I traveled through Africa I was quite amazed. Number one, the people all seem to be friendly. They all like bright colors, and being trained in textile, printing, weaving, I always had to work with colors anyway. My earliest memories was my grandmother actually spinning wool from the sheep she had in the backyard that were shorn, the wool processed and then made into thread. From that thread she used to make us mittens and socks to go skiing, because in Austria winter is -20. But there's a lot that goes into making a fabric or making a garment. The design aspect, the coloring, the texture of everything. We find ways to still enjoy creating our designs and patterns, putting the colors together. And even though a lot of it is done electronically, the input still has to be done by people who know what they're doing, who have been trained for it. So we still get a lot of enjoyment out of it to see how it comes together. We've, right from the beginning, made sure that we don't create too much waste. Textile industry has got not a good name in the environmental affairs, but it doesn't have to be like this. It can be sustainable even if it's synthetic. The beauty of that is that you can melt it all down again and make plastic bags out of it. And those plastic bags can be molten down multiple times and reused and reused. If you have a vision of producing something or doing something, it doesn't matter what field it is, you gotta go with that vision. Make sure that you're equipped through training, through studying, and then have a business plan. And go for it. Nobody must tell you it's impossible. There is no such thing, it's impossible. Maybe you stumble, maybe you fail. But if you have got that vision and you're passionate about it, go for it. Maybe a game changer is looking for opportunities in terms of sustainability, yeah, probably. Not many people might think like the way I think. You know, my drive always has been to make sure that there's something for my grandchildren, and not just a one-way, non-recyclable, throwaway society. That has to stop if we want to live as human beings and not being eaten up by viruses down the line.